Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you want to see more videos and want to be notified when we post more, then hit that subscribe button and don't forget to like and share. Also, make sure to check out our website in the description below. Today we've got a 2012 International Prostar. It is a single bunk. It is a stand-up sleeper, but it is a single bunk. It's got 604,000 miles on it. Manual 10-speed, aluminum steers and drives. I'll go ahead and do a quick walk around and then hop inside. Also has an EPU. You can view our full inventory online at exceleratetrucks.com. We manage that site daily with all of our trucks. Go ahead and hop inside, take a look. Single bunk, but it is a stand-up single bunk. Plenty of room. EPU controls in the bunk. Again, 604578 on the odometer. Go ahead and roll the hood. Take a look at each side. Again, this is a 2012 International Prostar, 604,000 miles, manual 10-speed, stand-up, single bunk sleeper. Fleet purchased, fleet maintained. All vehicles are the same fleet purchased, fleet maintained, and we also have a third-party shop that checks out each truck very thoroughly, performs any and all necessary repairs. Each truck comes with a fresh DOT inspection to ensure that it's road ready for you guys. Again, check out our full inventory online, ExcelerateTrucks.com. We hope you like this video. Again, please remember to subscribe, share, and like. Thanks, everyone.